everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use comments in Google Docs. Comments are super useful when collaborating with classmates, coworkers, or teammates because they let you leave notes, suggestions, and feedback directly inside a document without changing the actual text. So let's get started. First, open your document in Google Docs. Now let's say I want to leave a feedback on a sentence. The first step is to highlight the text you want to comment on. As soon as you highlight it, you'll notice these three icons. Click the comment icon and a comment box will pop up. Now type your message or feedback inside this box. For example, I can type, once you're done, click comment. As you can see, the comment is now attached directly to the part of the document. Anyone with access to the file can reply to the comment, making collaboration much easier. Now let's say the issue is fixed. Simply click the check button to mark it as resolved. And as you can see, the comment disappears from the document, keeping everything clean and organized. Comments are perfect for teamwork, editing, proofreading, and giving feedback without changing the original content. And that's it. Thanks for watching.